Welcome to JH. Today, I will guide you through the HBO Max registration process. It is quite straightforward. Begin by searching for HBO Max on Google and selecting the official link at hbomax.com. Once on the site, click the Sign Up Now button. You will need to decide between a monthly or yearly subscription. Opting for the annual plan usually offers better value, whereas the monthly one does not. The standard tier is €10 per month, while premium is €12. Select your preferred option and hit Continue. You also have the choice to include a sports add-on. If you are not interested, just click Continue again. Next, provide your email address and proceed. You will then need to verify that email and set a secure password. Scroll down to input your first and last name before clicking Create Account. Now, select your payment method, either credit or debit card, and fill in the required details. After entering your information, click Pay Now. You are all set to begin streaming or download the mobile app. Select Start Streaming to enjoy your content. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.